Ever pondered the pros and cons of anal sex? Today we delve into this topic, providing an informative and balanced discussion. Anal sex, also known as anal intercourse, is for some a fulfilling and enjoyable sexual activity. But like all sexual activities, it carries with it a set of pros and cons. Starting with the positives, anal sex can provide a sensation of intense pleasure. For some, this form of sexual activity is more intense and pleasurable than others, offering a unique experience that differs from traditional intercourse. Secondly, it can serve as a path to sexual exploration. It can be a route to discover new sexual experiences, broadening your sexual horizons and adding variety to your intimate encounters. Thirdly, anal sex can foster a deeper sense of intimacy. It requires a significant level of trust and communication, which can strengthen the bond between partners and create a deeper sense of connection. Lastly, it can offer a sense of control. During anal sex, the person on the receiving end often regulates the pace and depth of penetration, which can be a turn-on for some individuals. Now let's switch gears and consider the negatives. Firstly, there is an increased risk of injury. Anal sex involves penetration of a delicate area, making it more risky than other sexual activities. Secondly, discomfort can occur. Some individuals may experience pain during anal sex, particularly if not properly lubricated or if the penetration is too deep or fast. Thirdly, there is an increased risk of infection. Anal sex can potentially lead to the contraction of sexually transmitted infections if proper protection is not used. Finally, stigma still surrounds anal sex. Some individuals may feel a sense of shame or embarrassment due to societal views on this form of sexual activity. In conclusion, everyone's experience with anal sex is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. If you're considering engaging in anal sex, it's vital to communicate openly with your partner, use protection, and be aware of any potential risks or discomforts. Remember, sexual activity should always involve mutual consent and respect for each other's boundaries. With the right approach, anal sex can be a positive and enjoyable part of your sexual repertoire, as long as you're mindful of the potential drawbacks.